Good morning, everyone. Welcome back.
Welcome to our campus and to our largest reunion and homecoming ever. There are so many fantastic events that await you.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we can throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles.
I hope your experience this weekend reconnects you to your time here on campus as we celebrate 200 years of history.
Down, we'll never come down. When the sun comes up, we'll be feeling how we do right now. My heart's on fire, coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter and brighter.
Happy birthday, RPI!
Welcome to the Bicentennial Drone Show. This is so exciting. We're delighted to have you here. Enjoy yourself.